Hello, and today we are looking at the Parabolic SAR trading robot, which is free for MetaTrader 4. Now, this trading robot is public domain, which means it's completely free. I've optimized it for the dollar-yen pair on the 15-minute time frame, and this is based on the Parabolic SAR indicator invented by J. Wells Wilder, who also invented the ever popular RSI indicator. Now in the backtest, we went from 1K to 1.9K, so that's almost double in 30 months. And 30 months is January 2018 to June 2020. Now I know this hasn't done as well as some of the other trading robots which we've been looking at, but my job really is to identify trading robots which you may find quite useful. The parameters may suit your trading requirements, compared to other ones which are potentially higher risk. What I do like about this, we do have a healthy take profit to stop ratio. So it is 90 pips take profit versus a 50 pip stop. And in the back test, we are risking 2% risk per trade. And obviously you can change that to whatever you wish. Now looking at the strategy tester report, you can see it's the dollar-yen pair, 15-minute time frame, January 2018 to June 2020, and you can see that we've almost doubled our money. The profit is 1.22, so not as high as others, and the maximum drawdown is 17%, which others may consider that high also, but it has made quite a lot of trades, 272 in 30 months, and good 30 months, 2.5 years of trading history or backtest history. Looking at the shape of the graph, it does hover a bit before making large moves, and you can see towards the end of the back test it made another large move. So it may suit certain people. It's certainly not the most attractive equity curve that I've seen, but certainly this one uses the Parabolic SAR indicator, and it is completely free, so it can make money. And this is one which has 2-year back test history. So study this, have a look. It may not be for you, but at the same time it may be something that you may want to try, or if you're interested in Parabolic SAR indicators, give this one a go. So if you are interested in running this for yourself, don't forget to use a regulated, reputable broker. Otherwise you'll find your results will not be the same as the back tests. And also consider using a VPS. Now VPS is a computer which sits on the internet. For good companies offering VPS, the VPS will sit in the same data center as your broker, which means optimal trading conditions, no loss of network connectivity to your broker. And I've included the recommended broker and VPS provider in the description box below. If you do want to try this, you can download from the link as per on the screen. There are free versions when you click on the link to Quivo FX, and it is the free one, the complete free one, which I've optimized against. Obviously you can buy the paid versions, the pro versions, and you can use my set file to get the same results, but my set file won't activate for any of the advanced features that the paid versions hold. Now the optimized file, or the set file which you need to get the same results, is available from the link. You can download it, put in your email, and I'll send it to you. It's completely free. Do run your own back tests on your own brokers, and even if you're using the same broker as myself, run it and just make sure you're comfortable with it. It's very easy to make a mistake of selecting the wrong forex pair or selecting the wrong time frame. So check that it looks profitable on your own back test before you run it. Now the difference that you may have is that the modeling quality that you may have may not be as high as mine. I'm using something called Tick Data Suite, which allows you to back test at high quality. So that is something which you may or may not have, and you can buy it if you look up Tick Data Suite. Now I just want to thank you for watching this video. It is a much shorter one compared to some of my other videos because this is quite a straightforward and simple trading robot based on the Parabolic SAR indicator. If you do like this kind of thing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall speak to you soon.